How to change the default phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Then in here, tap on the Settings icon. After that, we then scroll down and then tap on Apps. Now at the top here, tap on Choose Default Apps. Then we go down and tap on Phone App. Now if you have installed more than one phone app, you can select other apps such as this one, and then tap on the back key. Now if you launch your phone application, so here is the default phone app. So from here, you can, when you receive a call or you receive a notifications, it will try to use your default phone app, which is that one right there. Or you can switch it back to the default Samsung or the system default, so we can change it back to the phone system default, which is the green icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.